Hi, I will be presenting a project by the Rio Bravo Wildlife Institute and MIT's Mobile Sanctuary. This project is called Rescuing Our Wetlands, and it aims to connect local, student-driven conservation efforts in the Gulf Coast to a global community using mobile technologies. The wetlands in question are called resacas. These abandoned river corals in the Rio Grande Delta are key to the health of the Gulf Coast and far beyond. They sustain hundreds of local and migratory bird, animal, and plant species, including dozens that are endangered, such as the iconic ocelot. Historically, resacas covered large swaths of the Rio Grande floodplain in southern Texas and northern Mexico. However, flood control and other human activities have led to the degradation of this habitat, and currently less than 5% of resacas remain in native condition, and more are lost each year. So, the time to act is now. We must learn how to preserve what remains and restore what can be returned to its native state. This is a complex conservation effort, and it's being spearheaded by the Texas Park and Wildlife Department, and we will help. We will help, but not by running a traditional conservation project. We bring to this challenge a belief that solutions will emerge through greater participation, more open sharing of information, and concerted and global action and support. And mobile technologies are the cornerstone of this approach. So, over the next 12 months, we will work with school-age students, as well as local and national organizations, and a global virtual community to tackle the challenge of restoring resacas. Let us hear more about this project from the students themselves.
First, we'll identify a research site and assess what state it is in. We are already looking at the potential sites. We will use a mobile phone to collect and send information from our research site and get information and advice back. We will be able to send and receive different kinds of information: text, sounds, pictures, and video. The mobile app is being built. It will be free to anyone who wants to use it. It comes in English y en Español. The mobile phone will guide our research and tell us what kind of information we need to gather. It is easy to use and helps us avoid mistakes. It provides us immediate feedback and recommendations. We will share our information to anybody who is interested in learning about our project or helping us through our project website. With the help of this online community, we will decide how we will restore our site. We will follow our site for a whole year to see how well our efforts work.
With funding from the Motorola Mobility Foundation, we will be able to achieve the key goals of this project: to develop and deploy mobile technologies that facilitate and guide student-driven conservation efforts, to identify effective strategies to restore and sustain endangered wetland habitat through online collaboration with a community of care, transfer of technology and skills to local groups to build capability and capacity for future projects, and to provide a positive shared learning experience for all involved in the project, and focus greater attention on the challenge of preserving Gulf Coast wetland habitat. To learn more about our project, please visit us online, and thank you for watching.